The 12 zodiac signs are Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. They are a core part of Western astrology and are based on the apparent path of the sun through the constellations over the course of a year. Each sign is associated with specific dates, personality traits, and elements: fire, earth, air, or water. Here's a list of the zodiac signs with their corresponding dates and elements. Aries, March 21st to April 19th, fire sign. Taurus, April 20th to May 20th, earth sign. Gemini, May 21st to June 20th, air sign. Cancer, June 21st to July 22nd, water sign. Leo, July 23rd to August 22nd, fire sign. Virgo, August 23rd to September 22nd, earth sign. Libra, September 23rd to October 22nd, air sign. Scorpio, October 23rd to November 21st, water sign. Sagittarius, November 22nd to December 21st, fire sign. Capricorn, December 22nd to January 19th, earth sign. Aquarius, January 20th to February 18th, air sign. Pisces, February 19th to March 20th, water sign.